Okay, this is another standard question like this that talks about adding or dropping a product line. Okay, and in this one we have top managers of Best Video are alarmed by their operating losses. They're considering dropping the DVD product line, and company accountants have prepared the following analysis to help make this decision. And again, the key with these is going to be these fixed expenses. All right, and when you look at the bottom line, the first thing you want to do is figure out where the total is. Okay, sometimes the total is over here, sometimes it's over here. That sounds dumb, but it makes a difference. So the total's right here, and it looks like the company is losing $11,000. The DVDs are losing a big amount here. They're losing $43,000. So you would think that you could look at this, and if I got rid of the DVDs, we would make $43,000 more, right? But the key is these stupid fixed expenses. I've got $76,000 of common fixed cost that this piece of the business is picking up. This, for the Blu-ray disc, would only get higher by $76,000. The whole 203 would come out here. Okay? And the key information that they tell us is the total fixed cost will not change if the company stops selling DVDs. Okay, so the question is, should they drop the line? Now, if they drop the line, we're going to have, I'm going to have a column here for without DVDs. So there are a lot of different ways to do these, but you want to do it so that you're safe and so that you can answer the question and get something dependable that you know. So our revenue would be 309. Our variable costs would be 150. Okay, just like you'd expect. Contribution margin is 159. Fixed manufacturing costs are 75. We had 59 over here. Now they said that these are not going to change. So our total fixed expenses, well, this would be 134 for fixed costs. And for selling and administrative, that would be 69,000. Okay, that's the difference it would make. So we would have, instead of having a loss of $11,000, where are we now? We've got 159 minus 134 minus 69. We're at a negative $44,000. So we're even losing more money. And you know what we're down by? We're down by the contribution margin of the business segment that you dropped. Okay, so you've lost $33,000. So it may not be the best thing to do. Not that DVDs are good business anymore, but back when this problem was done, they were. Okay, so the question then is, will dropping DVDs add $43,000 to operating income? No. Okay, and that's because of the fixed expenses don't go away. They were allocated to this division, but they're just going to have to go over here to Blu-ray discs if you get rid of them. Okay, now doing a separate column like this that shows you what happens without the DVDs is a safe way to do these problems. Okay, you could actually start out at the contribution margin, and then you could have just subtracted the total fixed expenses, okay, and gotten the same answer. But the key is always going to be those fixed costs. Sometimes some of them will go away. Sometimes maybe there might be, they'll call them, I'm going to say, for example, directly traceable. If it's directly traceable fixed cost, then they could go away if you got rid of that product line. Okay? All right. Do some more problems like this, though, and make sure that you can do this one without looking at any solutions or listening to anything I've said. Okay.